Now it's our Sheboygan A's baseball update. We welcome in Denny Moyer on this Tuesday morning. Denny, good morning.
Good morning, Dave.
A little easier to get up when you pick up a thrilling win on the road against one of the better teams in the league. Matter of fact, you're at Menasha, the defending champion in one of the leagues, and boy, what a game.
Yeah, we were hitting on all the cylinders last night. Our pitching was great. We're hitting against a good pitcher was great. My manager had a great game. We got a suicide squeeze to win the thing, and it was just a great effort. It was that's when baseball's fun, when everything clicks. Doesn't happen very often, but it's really fun.
Well, and then to do it on the road against the defending champion Menasha, and I'll tell you what, tie ball game, and your manager really pulled one of the old tricks out of the bag last night, the suicide squeeze, and what a way to win it.
Yeah, and it was perfectly executed. You'd have thought that they were filming it for some kind of clinic or something. It was perfectly executed. The kid takes off and scores, and Sam gets it down, and then they throw it away. We got another run out of it yet, and it was just great. It was fun.
You watch the games. You watch the games on TV, and you see these big leaguers really have trouble sometimes executing just a plain old bunt. When you got the guy barreling down the third base line coming home, you got to get it done and get it down, and that's a lot of pressure.
Yeah, it really is. And Sammy came through. Sammy plays at Wisconsin Lutheran, and this is his third year with us. He's just a solid kid. He runs, he throws, he hits the ball, and last night he had a chance to be a hero, and he came through. But Bryce Taylor, our pitcher from Lakeland, did a great thing. Menasha can hit. They're really a tough ball club, and Bryce came through. He got out of trouble. A couple of double plays, kids turned for him, and he struck out, I think, 5 or 6, and Menasha doesn't strike out. They sting the ball, and he did a good job. And then Brandon comes in at the end and smacks him down. He struck out the side at the end there, and of course we had an error, and then we got to walk a guy, so they got the winning run at the plate in the 9th inning, and he strikes him out. So that's my boy. It was fun. It was really a lot of fun.
Fun bus ride home last night. That's the good news. Big win on the road at Menasha, but boy, you turn it right around, and you got to get right back on the bus tonight and every night this week. So that's quite a grind.
Yeah, we're going to Oshkosh tonight, I think it is, and then we're going to Appleton tomorrow night, and then we go to Kenosha Thursday night, and then we got a day off, and then we got our Hall of Fame stuff this weekend. So if we can, it'll be a reward to be home for the Hall of Fame if we can get it done this week. That would, boy, if we'd win 4 in a row, that would be a wonderful thing. But he's got the pitching lined up. We got good arms. We're ready to go. So we'll see what happens.
So tonight it's at Oshkosh, and as you and I have been discussing here as we go along, you're right in the thick of it. Not in one of the leagues, but in all 3 of the leagues that you play in.
Yeah, this is a good team. I thought so at the start, and when we're gelling, we really kids can hit, they run and throw. There's good athletes out there. They're fun to watch. It's a good, except that one game that we had one stinker out of the whole crew so far. So that happens. That's baseball. Those things do happen.
All right, well, tonight it's at Oshkosh. Go get them, and we'll talk tomorrow morning.
Yeah, we got everybody going tonight, so we should be in good shape.
All right, sounds good, Denny. Thanks. Good luck tonight.
Okay, Dave. Thank you. Bye-bye.
That's Denny Moyer, Sheboygan A's. They're back on the bus tonight and headed for Oshkosh after a nice win last night at Menasha. The final was 4-2.